everyone, and welcome to one of the first videos here on my channel for 2026. I can't believe we're already in the thick of creating New Year content for 2026 at the moment. It is so insane. I feel like I've been saying this in every video lately, but to me, time is just going so quickly at the moment. And I really feel like getting into 2026, everything's just like suddenly arrived, it feels. And like I just probably have not been as prepared as previous years. And now this is me just trying to get like back on track with everything, especially after being postpartum with my first baby. And yeah, it's just been a bit of a hectic ride the last few months. But in today's video, I'm going to be creating my new vision board for 2026, which I'm really excited about. I always love creating a bit of a vision board at the beginning of each year to really just give myself the visual of what I want my year to look like. I feel that I'm a very visual person, and sometimes just writing down my goals isn't enough. I need something to kind of remind me and to visualize what I want out of life, what I want out of the year. And creating a vision board is a really great way to do that. Now, if you have watched my yearly reset video, you'll know that I have already set a number of yearly goals for myself. I'll probably be setting more as the month goes along. I usually like to do this in January sometime. Obviously, with a baby, it makes things a little bit more difficult now, so I have to use my time very wisely. But I have already set a few yearly goals, and we're going to be basing the vision board for 2026 off those yearly goals and really just taking some of those and getting a visual for them. Now, I'm also really happy to announce that today's video is sponsored by Picsart. If you've been watching my channel over the last 18 months or so, you'll know that I've been working with Picsart on many different projects, and I have a really wonderful partnership with them. So for those of you who are unfamiliar with Picsart, Picsart is an online design platform with a ton of helpful AI features. You can pretty much design anything you want on Picsart, and whether it is stationery for your business, whether it is social media posts, whether it's invoices, maybe it's a planner, anything that you really want, and especially for your business as a content creator, you can easily design through Picsart. I often say this in my videos, but as content creators, we are expected to be many different professions in one. So especially being self-employed, I feel that you have to be your own accountant a lot of the time, you have to be your own marketing team, and you also have to be your own graphic designer. And if you're not a graphic designer, as I am not, and you don't feel that you're very handy with graphics and putting things together like that, then this is really where Picsart comes into the equation. I have created everything from branded invoices to media kits to YouTube thumbnails and of course vision boards. So today we are going to be utilizing Picsart to create my 2026 vision board. And if you do want to check out Picsart for yourself, make sure to click the link in the description box below and use the code KayleePro for 10% off a yearly pro subscription. And if you want to create your vision board along with me, feel free to do so. Make sure to click the link and go and check it out below. Another huge thank you to Picsart for sponsoring this video today, and let's get straight into creating this vision board. Okay, so I've got my cup of tea and I've got the Picsart homepage right in front of me alongside Pinterest as well, because I will be utilizing Pinterest to source the imagery that I want for my vision board, and then I'll be transferring those images back into Picsart. But first of all, I'm actually going to make sure that I have a template at the ready for my vision board. And I actually already do, because I have created vision boards through Picsart before, and I actually created one for last year or for 2025. So we are going to jump back into my projects and use that particular template. However, if you do want a template to start from scratch, you can easily search for a template. There are thousands upon thousands on Picsart for things like vision boards. So definitely something I would recommend doing if you don't have one ready to go. But let's jump into projects, and I'm going to open up my 2025 vision board. And this is actually really insane to me, because I'm looking at this vision board now that was for last year, and I'm looking at some of the images, and you never know when you're actually creating the vision board how much of it is actually going to come to fruition. And you always hope that your life is going to look something like this, but I think for me, so much of this really did look like my life in 2025. I mean, this particular image here is of traveling to New Zealand and being around mountains. And I was definitely doing that in 2025. I actually went to Tasmania in November, and I also went to New Zealand in December, and I got to also share that with my little baby. She was only 3 and 4 months old during those trips. So, you know, these two especially for me really resonate. And I'm so happy that both of those things actually came to fruition. I would say that Camping really wasn't one, unfortunately, that we got to do a lot of. And I think that was really coming down to, especially we did so much other travel that camping honestly just kind of took a back seat for 2025. I would say that I did get a chance to do a bit of photography, especially with my travels. I was really enjoying doing that too. We also moved into a new home. Even though I put those images on my mood board for the previous year, the crazy thing is that I didn't actually know that we were going to be selling our house in a few months' time. I think I made this in about April 2025. I didn't know that we were actually going to be selling our home in a couple of months' time, and we actually did, and then bought our new home, which we're so happy with. So these were some inspo images for our new home, or something to, I guess, get us really inspired to actually move. And I don't know, we just ended up doing it. So how good is that? I mean, I would love to have some similar images on the 2026 mood board that I create, because I would love to do a lot to this place. I think it feels very new and it feels very sterile. And I've spoken about this before on my channel. I really want to just add a bit of life to the home. There was a few things on here that didn't quite come through, like knitting. I think that was making more time for knitting. I do have a goal that is to make more time for arts and crafts in 2026. So hopefully that is going to happen. I've also got entertaining down here, like spending more time with family and friends. We've definitely done a lot of that in the last few months, especially since Bub has been born. We've really had a lot of social events. So I feel like this was a really nice way to, I guess, curate my visuals for 2025. And we're going to do the same thing now for 2026. I'm going to use the same sort of layout with the images as much as I can. But one thing I will change, I think, is going to be the background and the fact that this says 2025. So we're going to go make that 2026. And we're going to change this background. Let's have a look at some of the different backgrounds that we've got here. So we're just going to keep it simple for like Christmas themed things. Oh my gosh, I love these backgrounds. I think I'm going to choose something though that is just a little bit more simpler. I do like paper texture, so let's have a look and see. Ooh, I kind of like that texture of the paper, so let's go with that for now. You know what, maybe let's change the font here. Why don't we change it to what I have recently made as my new font for, I guess, my brand kit, which is Souvenir. Let's kind of change up the coloring and just a few things here on the template. So I'm actually going to fill this with my new brand kit colors as well. So we're just taking on a slightly different aesthetic this year. So I'm going to start looking through Pinterest now, and we're going to start actually getting some images for this vision board. And let's search up for one of my goals, actually, that I didn't put in my 2026 yearly reset, and it's going to be slow travel. So I really think slow travel is definitely something that I want to do a lot more of. Now that I have a baby and we are traveling with a baby, my husband and I would really like to think that our travels start to slow down just slightly differently, and we just like enjoy them more. You know, we're so used to being so on the go on our trips that now I think it's time to really just relax, you know? I really love this image. This is just gorgeous. Or maybe I also really like this one here. I think I'm going to use this one. So I'm just going to copy that and then paste it into my vision board. So we're going to replace this one here. So I'm going to just delete that one behind, and then we'll make this a bit bigger. Now let's go back to Pinterest, and I'm also going to find an image for long haul travel, because I really wanted to plan a long haul trip with my baby and my husband. So that was kind of, I think, going to be a goal for 2026. So we'll go even travel with baby. I love this. So I'm going to put this image here. Just like, stop, look how cute the little hands are. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this one in the vision board. So I think we'll get rid of the old image there, and I'm just going to put this one here. Obviously, more travel as a family is definitely a goal for 2026. Now the next one will be arts and crafts and making more time for that. Ugh, like this is just so perfect. This is everything, this image. I'm absolutely going to add this one in. I just feel like this is exactly what I want. This is what I want. And I'm going to put that in here. I'm also going to find an image for photography, just to focus that little bit more on my photography in 2026. Love this one. This is so cool, especially when it comes to focusing on landscapes. I've spoken about this before, but I love landscape photography and I would love to have a lot more emphasis with doing more of it, I guess. So I'm gonna add that in and I'm gonna put that here. Just going to delete a few of the other ones. Now the next goal is to make our house a home. I would love to have a little bit more aesthetics going on within the home, and I really love these images that I chose for the last vision board, but you know, in some ways, as much as I love these and I'm definitely drawing inspiration from them still, now that we know what our house looks like, we can kind of narrow down what we're able to achieve with it too. And our house doesn't quite look like this. And I think I'm just gonna have to find an image that really shows kind of something about a house that gives it just a more homely feeling. There's something about this image here that I really, really love. So I'm actually gonna add this in because I think that that's a gorgeous image to just really give that homely feeling. I really want more trees around our house and more foliage to kind of create that lovely effect. We have a lot of sunlight coming into our house, which is nice, but there's just no kind of like extra aesthetic about it. Like here we've got like the wood tones, just, oh my gosh, I just love it. The wood and the plants and just a nice comfy couch. And I don't know, I just feel like we need that little bit more homely feeling with our house at the moment. I think that that image does a really good job of showing that. Although I do also really love this image. This is just absolutely beautiful. You know what? I'm going to add this one in, maybe two or as well as the other one, because I just think that this really gives such a gorgeous effect. You know what? I'm going to have both. I'm going to have both. Now, my next goal was to make more time for language learning and reading. So I don't know how I'm going to do language learning. Like, can we get an image? You know what? This is pretty good. I'm going to use this image. This is a really good way of showing language learning. So I'm going to pop this one into the vision board. I'm going to move this one here. Get another image for reading. I love this one. This one's so cute. I mean, there's just so many great ones here though. Oh my gosh. It's getting me so inspired already. Just creating this vision board is just making me so excited to really reach for some of those goals next year. So let's get this one and add that one in. Now I need a nice image that's going to show like yoga and exercise in general. So whether it's like at the gym, whether it's kind of a nice at-home yoga kind of image, like let's just go yoga and see what comes up. I really love this image, so we're going to pop that one in. I love that. And this one should be easy to get, but it's self-care, so I want to make more time for self-care. And I feel like this will be an easy kind of image to get. This is actually perfect. This image here, just showing having a bath. I actually had a bath for the first time the other day in such a long time because our last townhouse that we were living in didn't have a bath, and so for years we just didn't have one. And then we were living in apartments before then and the baths were kind of like mid. So this has kind of been the first time in this new house that I've actually been able to take a bath, and it has been lovely. So I definitely get the hype around it now. So I'm going to put that image in here. One of my next goals is a new laptop. So let's have a look if we can get a nice aesthetic image for a new laptop. You know what? This is going to be the image that I use because I really want a MacBook. So we are going to pop that in here as well. Now I have several goals around financials, but I think overall, I think a word that I'm actually going to integrate into this vision board is going to be security. Financial security is something that I think I'm looking more towards at the moment. It's never really been something that's super on my radar because I guess like I've been living the child-free, youthful life until now. And I think now that I have a baby, I definitely think that Dan and I are going to be a little bit more speaking about financial security moving forward and that. Not that we're not financially secure in any way, but it's just something that I think is becoming more prevalent for us. Let's have a look. I think I'm going to use this image. This is really cute and it really shows that we are continuing to budget Obviously, financial security is probably something that's quite hard to sort of visualize. But I think that this will be a good one to add, maybe just down the bottom here. And then the next goal was to have more of a work-life balance. So we'll see if we can get an image that kind of says that. You know what, I think that this is actually a really great image of this because it's showing that you can also travel and also work. And I don't know, I think that there's a good kind of balance in this photo. So I'm gonna like enter it in because I really love that kind of aesthetic. So let's add that in. I think that that kind of shows work-life balance, right? And then we need one more image for my final goal, which was to create more relatable content or more short form content. So this one's gonna be a tricky one, but relatable content creator. Let's see if anything comes up. Or maybe we can try content creator aesthetic. There's something about this image that I really like, and I don't know whether it's because it's showing more like planning things out a little bit more, but one of my other goals was to really improve the quality of my content. And like this kind of feels like it's really planning for that content a little bit better. So I'm actually gonna add this in. And we'll kind of go for the quality side of things, maybe more so than necessarily the relatability side, because that's kind of hard, I guess, to put into a image per se. And I'm going to move this just over here. We'll kind of like move that in the middle. And I've just changed the color up the top here, just tweaked the aesthetic of the whole board a little bit. But this is essentially my vision board for 2026. So I'm really, really happy that I got a chance to do this today. And it's always a great way to really kick off the new year and I guess set your intentions for the year. One thing I am going to do differently with this vision board is I'm going to add a text. And as I said, I'm going to put in just something that says security, because that's how I'm sort of feeling financially at the moment. I would like to focus on that. So let's change the color of that to maybe the blue up the top. So let's kind of change the font too. I think the next word is going to also be inspire, because I would love to feel more inspired again, more creativity for myself to focus on, and to inspire others is also a nice goal to have, I guess, as well. And the last word or intention that I want to set for myself is to be present. So that's going to be my 3 words for the year of 2026. And I hope you really enjoyed this video. I would love to see if any of you have created your own vision boards through Picsart or vision boards in general. Please let me know down in the comment section below. I would love to hear all of your experiences. I would love to hear all of your goals for 2026. And if you want to see me do more vision board videos like this one, definitely feel free to let me know in the comment section below. But essentially, these are my intentions for 2026, and I'm really excited to get started. Thank you so much for watching this video today. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you do, because I'll be posting a lot more videos like this one. Once again, a quick reminder, if you are interested in checking out Picsart, make sure to click the link in the description box below and use the code KayleighPro for 10% off a yearly pro subscription. Feel free to put in the comment section below as well any goals or dreams that you have for 2026 and what you're going to be including in your vision board this year. I would love to hear all of your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section. But as always, make sure to hit the notification bell to see all the updates from my channel in future. But thank you so very much for watching this video today. I hope you've all had an amazing new year, and I will see you in the next video.